What is pkg-resources == 0.0.0 in output of pip freeze command? When I run pip freeze I see, among other expected packages, pkg-resources == 0.0.0. I have seen a few posts mentioning this package, including this one, but none explaining what it is, or why it is included in the output of pip freeze. The main reason I am wondering is out of curiosity, but also, it seems to break things in some cases when trying to install packages with a requirements.txt file generated with pip freeze that includes the pkg-resources == 0.0.0 line. For example, when Travis C tries to install dependencies through pip and finds this line. What is pkg-resources, and is it okay to remove this line from requirements.txt? Update. I have found that this line only seems to exist in the output of pip freeze when I am in a virtualenv. I am still not sure what it is or what it does, but I will investigate further knowing that it is likely related to virtualenv.
According to this URL, this is a bug resulting from Ubuntu providing incorrect metadata to pip. So, no, there does not seem to be a good reason for this behavior. I filed a follow-up bug with Ubuntu. This URL. To back up the previous answer, it should be safe to remove that line from your requirements.txt. Here is an example makefile stanza that safely freezes your package list. Drop in your makefile and run with make freeze. Edit 2022 July 6. I have been informed that the package name differs depending on the system in use, pkg-resources versus pkg_resources. Please see the comments attached to this answer for differences in usage between different versions of Debian/Ubuntu. As pkg-resources is the historically correct package name at the time this was posted, almost 6 years ago, for the system in question, it will remain unchanged in this answer.
As for the part of your question, is it okay to remove this line? I have the same issue here developing on an Ubuntu 16.04 with that very line in the requirements. When deploying on a Debian 8.5 running pip install or requirements.txt, pip complains that pkg-resources is not found, but there is a global package installed Python pkg-resources, so the dependency should be satisfied. Same on Ubuntu, the package exists there as well. As stated here, it seems to be some implicitly installed package. So, if you are on a Debian/Ubuntu having Python pkg-resources installed, it should be safe to remove that line. I did so and everything is running fine. However, since I am no expert on this, you should keep in mind that this might lead to complications when deploying on another machine.
Found this answer in this link, this URL. By Louis Bouchard. Louis wrote on November 16, 2019. It worked for me. But am not an expert, so, if someone understand it better, would be great if explained it. Hello. For what it's worth, the problem comes from the Debianized version of virtualenv, which uses a debundled version of pkg_resource which gets added into the virtualenv at creation time. Using the pip installed version of virtualenv can be a workable workaround.
If you want to see more